Alright family, welcome back. So we're going to get started with our chicken first. I have all my ingredients here off to the side. I'll make sure I'll list everything in the description box as well as call it out as I'm adding it to the dish. So for starters, I have my chicken legs here. They've already been washed, and so I have a total of 5 legs. And so I'm just going to season these with some salt and pepper. You really have to get to the store and remember to get some more salt, and then add some black pepper to it, as I said. Okay. Then I'm going to mix this up. My hands are clean. Give that just a little mix. Okay, so now I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'm going to bring in my bowl. I'm going to use this to actually make our marinade. Let me just wipe my hands. And so now I have some soy sauce. I'm going to start off with a tablespoon of this. Shake. So I have my tablespoon in there. So now I'm going to follow up with half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Where's my oyster sauce, which I have right here. This is a brand that I'm using. And this stuff is thick, so I'm going to have to give this a nice little tap on the bottom. The sheet is thick. Okay. There we go. Get that inside there. This stuff is thick. Alright, so now I'm going to do the same. Do a half a tablespoon of honey. And hopefully y'all can see. Okay. Alright. Move it off to the side. In this plate, I have a 1 clove of ginger, and then I have a half teaspoon of what is this, minced garlic. So we put that in there. Well, I should say I have garlic and then, my ginger. Get that in there. So now I'm going to follow up with a half a teaspoon of sesame oil, which is right here. Then now I'm going to do some rice vinegar. Add like a half teaspoon of the rice vinegar. So now this is optional. You can add some of these red pepper flakes. So I'm just going to do a small amount of these, maybe like a quarter. Yeah, I'll do like a quarter teaspoon of this, just for a little heat. Not too much. Actually, that's good enough right there. And then also to this, I'm going to add some salt and pepper as well. Just a little salt. And some pepper. And now so grab my whisk, and I'm going to whisk all this together. Actually, I want to have a little more because I want to put some of this off to the side. So I'm just going to add some more. A little more soy sauce. And then you can taste this, and if you need to adjust it, add a little more something, you can. And so I'm just going to give this a little taste. And I want to add just a little more honey to that. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to take some of this out because I'm going to use this to baste my chicken. That's about a tablespoon that I took out to save it for basting. So now I'm going to bring my legs back, and then I'm just going to add this to this bowl. You can use a shallow bowl, or if you have like a bag that you want to put it in, like a sealable bag, you can do that. So now I'm just going to put the lid on it, give that a nice shake, and this is going to marinate at least 30 minutes. Okay. So that's how it looks. So as I said, I'm going to let this marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. And then I'll come back and we'll get this in the oven. Hey G Squad, so I'm back. Our chicken has been marinating for an hour, and I let it sit out for about 10 minutes just to take some of the chill off. And so if you notice, I have a rack inside of a baking sheet, and this is how we're going to cook this chicken, because this is going to allow it to cook evenly all the way around. So now I'm just going to add the chicken to this. And the oven is preheated to 400 degrees, and this is going to cook anywhere from 40 to 45 minutes. And then halfway through, I'm going to check it and baste the chicken with the marinade that I put on the side. Okay. So here are our babies. So like I said, I'm going to pop these in the oven, and then halfway through I'll take them out, and then as I said, baste them, and then continue the process. But this is how they look. Alright family, so these have been going for like 20 minutes, so I removed them from the oven, and now using the marinade that we reserved, I'm going to go ahead and baste our chicken. It smells so good in here, y'all. I'm really looking forward to sinking my teeth into these. So I am going to flip these and baste the other side. Now look how delicious these look. I can just smell the ginger. I mean, it's just giving off all kinds of aromas in here from all the different sauces that we use. Y'all keep saying things like that we use as if y'all in the kitchen with me cooking. Okay, she's up the last of that. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm going to pop these back in the oven and let them cook for another 20 minutes. And then I'll see y'all when these are done. Alright family, so it's time to remove our legs from the oven. Here they are. You can see the juice dripping from them. Look how beautiful they are. The close up. Look at that. Cooked all the way through. Alright guys, I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes to allow the juice to redistribute itself throughout the chicken legs. And then when I come back, it'll be plated and then we will wrap up this video. Alright family, so here we are. I paired it with some brown rice and some green peas. But yes, nice simple meal, affordable meal. So yes, and then also if you wanted your chicken legs to have like a crispier skin, once you take them out of the oven, you can put them under the broiler for like 2 minutes. But make sure you keep an eye on them because you don't want them to burn. But yeah, so again, that's the way you can have just a crispier skin to it, okay? But yeah, so that's pretty much it, family. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I am going to now enjoy this off camera. I thank you so much for stopping in and seeing what your girl's cooking up in the kitchen. And I look forward to bringing you all the next dish in my next video. So with that being said, love you guys. Stay blessed, stay well, and I will see you soon. Bye.